Lithium is currently only produced from either spodumene or brine operations. However, with the increase in demand, the emergence of lithium clays as an alternative source for lithium has emerged. But given the infancy of the sector, we discuss with Hawkstone the geology of the project.
Big Sandy project, the lithium mineralization there, is hosted in clays that were originally deposited, what is interpreted to be anyway, as tuffs in a graben-filled basin. Now, the graben-filled basins are normal throughout the southwest US. It's part of the Basin and Range complex. And then after the tuffs were deposited, you can see from the geology that we've had periods when the environment has dried up. You've had this evaporation cycle happening, probably recharge, evaporation, and we feel that that recharge and evaporation has probably led to number one, the alteration of the clays, and number two, the mineralization with lithium. Also on the property, there's a present-day hot spring, and I think that that may be one of the other factors that has brought in the lithium mineralization is hot spring activity. With your evaporation, you got your fluids coming in, you got your pumping, and you've had your lithium deposited. From what we see, we've got up to almost 100 meters thickness of lithium mineralized clays in drill holes 3 and 4 on the eastern edge of the basin.
In addition to Big Sandy, there are a number of advanced lithium clay projects in North America. We discuss with Hawkstone the similarities and differences between these projects and Big Sandy.
The Big Sandy project is slightly different to other clay projects or so-called clay projects around the world. Probably the closest comparison that we have will be the Thacker Pass of Lithium Americas. Now that is altered tuffs that were altered by hot springs, hot water coming up through, hydrothermal fluids, but it is in the middle of a caldera, whereas we're not in a caldera, we're in a graben-filled basin. The other ones, you take a look at Rhyolite Ridge or Bacanora, both of those are volcanic in origin that have been altered and they're lithified. So they're much harder than what we have. Ours is just plain good old clay.